Are you having problems with barcode not showing on your Cash App and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your Cash App. There's nothing we can do on the Cash App as of right now. We need to actually open up our Settings app instead. So go into your Settings app, scroll down a little bit, click on General, then click on Storage in here. And what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to locate Cash App and click on it. Click on Offload App and click on Offload App here once again. You're just going to wait a couple of seconds, then click on the blue button here again, as you can see. And what will happen now is that you will actually auto-update your Cash App to the newest version, and that should be able to fix barcode issue. If it still is not working for some reason, what you can do is to actually just log back into your Cash App account. And by the way, sorry for not mentioning this, you will not be logged out of your Cash App, so don't worry. This will just, as I said before, auto-update your app. You should not actually be logged out by doing this. So when it's done, as you can see in here, but you're still not able to you're still not able to see your barcode basically, even after you have done this, you need to then contact the Cash App support, and you can do this on the app itself after you have logged into your account. So just click on help and then click on the support option so you can actually contact them. And what will happen is that you will need to write to them that you're missing barcode on your Cash App, and they're the ones that can actually help you to fix this then.